We're here at Madrid at the Gran Casino for the third stop of the Mega Poker Series, and we have with Carmine, is it right?
Carmine,
the first
that's
name?
correct, yeah.
So you actually came all the way over here from Toronto, and you qualified in the Ucash free roll last week to get in here?
Yeah, Ucash has been running a few promotions in Canada, and one of them was a deposit during a 1 week period on Poker 770, and you were given a token into a free roll to win a package, and I luckily won, so I'm here.
So you actually postponed the trip to the WSOP and just went for another deep stack tournament?
Yeah, my friends are in Vegas right now. A couple of them just got back, and they were bugging me the whole time. I'm supposed to be in Vegas right now, but I'm here, and I'm having a great time. I love the Spaniards.
So what do you actually think about the tournament structure? Does it favor your game, or?
It does. The structure here is fantastic. 77,000 chips to start, 60-minute blinds. There's plenty of play. Unfortunately, I'm stuck at a table with about 8 Spaniards who don't know how to fold and love to bluff, but I'm hanging in there.
So we're just going to play another 2 levels. I guess you're kind of used to it because you're eat and breath poker the whole time. What are you actually doing in real life besides that in Toronto?
I actually run an events company, and one of the things we're doing is later on this year we're actually running an event similar to this, the Toronto Poker Classic, which we're expecting about 500 players, and Ucash is actually one of our sponsors.
All right, then we wish you best of luck in the last few levels, and hopefully you're going to double up and make day 2.
I hope so. Great,
right.
Thank you.